Hello, friends. Welcome back to Speak English Learning. Today, we will practice daily English questions and answers. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's speak English together and have fun while learning.
Great! Remember, repeat after us and try to answer yourself. Don't worry about mistakes.
That's right. Every mistake is a step closer to fluency.
Good morning, Nick. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m. I like to start my day early.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brushed my teeth with my favorite mint toothpaste.
Did you wash your face?
Yes, I washed it with cold water. It makes me feel fresh.
Did you make your bed?
Yes, I made it neatly. A tidy room gives a tidy mind.
Who is in the kitchen now?
Mom is cooking breakfast. She always makes delicious food.
Did you drink water after waking up?
Yes, I drank a glass of water. It's healthy to hydrate in the morning.
Did you take a shower?
Not yet. I will take a shower after finishing my morning exercises.
What exercises do you do in the morning?
I do stretching, a few push-ups, and a short jog.
Wow, that's very healthy. I should try jogging too. What are you having for breakfast today?
I'm having eggs, toast, and some fresh fruits.
Did you eat your favorite breakfast yesterday?
Yes, I had pancakes with honey. They are my favorite.
Are you hungry again?
Not really. I am full, but I sometimes have a small snack after breakfast.
What snacks do you like?
I like fruits, nuts, and sometimes cookies.
Do you like tea or coffee in the morning?
I like milk tea. It tastes sweet and keeps me awake.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yes, milk is healthy. It gives calcium for strong bones.
Who cooks breakfast at your home usually?
Mom cooks breakfast most days. On weekends, I help her.
That's wonderful. Cooking together is fun. Did you water the plants today?
Not yet. I will do it after breakfast.
Can you help me clean the table?
Sure. I can wipe the table and put the dishes in the sink.
Where is your backpack?
It's near the chair. I will take it to my room later.
Did you lock the door before coming to the kitchen?
Yes, I locked it. Safety first.
Did you take out the trash today?
Not yet. I will take it out before lunch.
Who helps you with cleaning?
I help myself, and sometimes my sister helps too.
Do you like doing chores?
Yes, it feels good to keep my home clean.
What's your favorite chore?
I like organizing my books and toys. It makes me feel happy.
What do you do in your free time, Nick?
I like playing the guitar and reading books.
That's nice. I enjoy painting and listening to music.
You can also say, I play games with my friends, or I watch movies with my family.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football in the evening.
Do you exercise every day?
Not every day. I jog 3 times a week.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Yes, I like drawing animals and nature.
Do you like playing indoor games too?
Yes, I enjoy chess and card games with my friends.
Do you watch TV or play video games?
Sometimes I prefer watching educational videos and cartoons.
Do you practice English in your free time?
Yes, I practice speaking with friends and listening to English stories.
Tell me about your family.
There are 4 people in my family: my parents, my sister, and me.
How do you spend time together?
We talk, watch movies, and sometimes go for a small trip on weekends.
Who is helping Mom today?
I am helping her to prepare lunch.
Who is at the door now?
It's our neighbor. She came to give some vegetables.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Alex. We play football and study together.
Do you talk to your friends online too?
Yes, we chat and play online games sometimes.
How do you greet your friends in English?
I say, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Hello, good morning."
Are you feeling okay, Nick?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Are you hungry again?
Yes, a little. I want a snack.
Are you sleepy now?
Yes, I feel a little sleepy after lunch.
How are you feeling today?
I feel happy and relaxed because it's a sunny day.
Are you feeling hot or cold?
I feel hot because I was playing outside.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I rest for a while and drink some water.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I talk to my mom or listen to music.
Did you finish your homework today?
Yes, I finished it yesterday.
What subject do you like the most?
I like English and science.
Do you study alone or with friends?
I usually study alone, but sometimes I study with my sister.
Do you ask questions if you don't understand?
Yes, I ask my teacher or my parents.
Do you revise your lessons every day?
Yes, revision helps me remember everything better.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I like learning new words and speaking fluently.
Are you going somewhere today?
Yes, I'm going to the store with my dad.
What will you buy?
I will buy fruits, vegetables, and some snacks.
Who will go with you?
Dad and my sister will come with me.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, but I like short trips. Shopping for long hours is tiring.
Do you help at the market?
Yes, I help carry the bags and select fresh fruits.
Do you pay by cash or card?
We usually pay by card for convenience.
Let's repeat important questions and answers. Repeat after me. What are you doing now?
I am reading a book.
Where is your phone?
It's on the sofa.
Who is calling you?
My friend is calling me.
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure. Here you go.
Are you done with your homework?
Yes, I have finished it.
Did you feed the dog?
Not yet. I will do it after finishing this conversation.
Can you open the window?
Yes, I'm opening it now.
Where is the remote?
It's on the table.
Who will wash the dishes?
I will wash them after dinner.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about my English practice and speaking more confidently.
Friends, practicing these questions daily will help you speak English easily.
Yes, speak slowly, repeat the sentences, and don't worry about mistakes.
Remember, mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the better you get.
Start small. 5 minutes a day is enough. Gradually, you will speak fluently.
And always tell yourself, I will speak English every day.
Practice plus patience equals progress. You can do it.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep speaking English, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!